Picture this. You're running your own online store, adding products, customizing the design, and watching orders come in. That reality can start today with Shopify. They're giving you 3 days completely free, no credit card required, and after that, it's just $1 a month for the next 3 months. To grab it, click the link in the description or scan the QR code. On the sign-up page, type in your email and hit Start Free Trial. No payment details are needed. Answer a few short questions about your business or skip them, and you'll land inside your Shopify dashboard, ready to start building. Now, Shopify isn't one size fits all. It's designed to grow with you. The basic plan is perfect if you're starting solo, with unlimited products, 10 inventory locations, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, and full app access. If you want to add team members, the Grow plan gives you 5 staff accounts, professional reporting, and lower transaction fees. Scaling fast, the Advanced plan steps up with 15 staff accounts, advanced analytics, real-time shipping rates, and higher-tier support. And for businesses running at enterprise level, the Plus plan gives you unlimited staff accounts, up to 200 inventory locations, wholesale tools, and 24/7 priority support. In addition, there are 2 specialized options. Starter is great for social selling. It includes 2 inventory locations and supports in-person sales via phone, or POS. Retail is built for brick-and-mortar shops, with 10 inventory locations and 1 POS Pro location. The best part? There are no contracts. You can switch plans, upgrade, or cancel whenever you want. So how do you bring your store to life? First, choose your look. From the dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes, and browse the theme store. You can preview designs and publish instantly. No coding required. Next, add your products. Upload photos, write titles and descriptions, set your prices, and organize your stock. After that, personalize your storefront using the drag and drop editor. Tweak layouts, adjust fonts and colors, and upload your logo to make it yours. Then, enhance your store with apps. Shopify's App Store has thousands of options: reviews, email marketing, upsells. But the smart approach is to start with the essentials only. Finally, open settings and configure payments, shipping, taxes, and checkout preferences. These must be set before launch. Every Shopify plan includes unlimited products, free hosting, mobile optimization, and SSL security. Your store won't go live until you choose a plan, so you can experiment freely during the trial. This is your chance to build the store you've been imagining. Tap the link in the description or scan the QR code now. 3 days free, then just $1 a month for 3 months. Start today and see how far you can go with Shopify.